You step into the cockpit of the future, not literally, but in your imagination. Ahead of you stretches an ocean of sky where one shape dominates, the F-47 NGAD. Think of it less as a gunfighter and more as a quarterback, a thinking, sensing, commanding node that orchestrates an entire team. In this piece, you'll ride shotgun on that vision, the high-tech features that make the F-47 a battlefield game-changer, how it will reshape warfare, and whether rivals like China's rumored J-36 can keep pace. Visuals start with a sleek silhouette rising from clouds, cut to slow-motion stealth contours. First, the role. Quarterback, not dogfighter. The F-47 is built to lead. It doesn't need to close and turn tightly with an enemy to win. Instead, it extends influence far beyond its physical airframe through networks of sensors and drones. Imagine a single pilot, supported by AI, controlling dozens of collaborative combat aircraft, or CCAs. These are not mindless targets. They are semi-autonomous, taskable, and interchangeable tools, sensor platforms, decoys, or weaponized nodes. Video cue, swarm launch clips, close-ups of small drones unfolding. Swarm command, the hallmark feature. The pilot of an F-47 acts like a coach on a sideline, issuing plays. Energetic and warm. AI translates high-level intent, suppress that radar cluster, screen the flank, punch through here, into orchestrated maneuvers for the CCA swarm. The result is multiplied reach. Sensors that would normally be limited by horizon now stretch like a spiderweb across hundreds of miles. Threats are detected earlier, engaged with more options, and denied the luxury of a simple dichotomy, shoot or hide. These CCAs are a buffet of tactical possibilities. Some are expendable decoys, shimmering on enemy radar and drawing fire. Others carry electronic warfare suites to blind opponents or to jam and spoof missiles. Some are miniature strike platforms, flying loitering munitions that can be tasked on the fly. Crucially, because the F-47 is the node, the pilot's risk is reduced. If one drone goes down, another takes its place. The system is resilient. Now, stealth taken to an extreme. Tailless blended wing body design. The F-47 abandons vertical tails and exposed control surfaces to favor broadband stealth. That means it's not just invisible to one radar frequency, it's quiet across many bands, radio, infrared signatures reduced, and reflections minimized across angles. The silhouette is smooth, almost organic, like a stealthy, predatory bird gliding on air. This broadband approach complicates enemy detection math. You can no longer rely on a single sensor type to find it. But stealth alone doesn't win modern fights. Sensor fusion does. The F-47 is designed as a central data hub. Its onboard systems ingest feeds from satellites, other aircraft, ground sensors, and the CCAs. AI fuses these into a single coherent picture, a living map of the battlespace. You see threats, not fragments. Missile tracks, heat signatures, radio chatter, and probable intent stitched together. The pilot isn't buried in raw telemetry. AI sorts, prioritizes, and recommends. Visual. HUD overlays highlighting priority targets and suggested maneuvers. The cockpit itself becomes a human-AI partnership. Think of the pilot as a chess master. The AI is a super grandmaster advisor that suggests lines, weighs trade-offs, and can execute time-critical tasks faster than any human. The pilot retains final authority but leverages AI for situational awareness and rapid decision-making. That changes training too. Pilots become managers of distributed lethal systems, fluent in decision-making, ethics, and trust with AI partners. Video, close-up on pilots' hands, HUD prompts, subtle haptic feedback. Power and weapons expand the envelope. Adaptive cycle engines give the F-47 more power on demand and better fuel efficiency when cruising. That translates into longer loiter times, higher dash speeds, and more energy for directed energy weapons or high-power jammers in future upgrades. In the weapons bay, you can expect the next generation of long-range missiles. Imagine AIM-260 JADAM equivalents for beyond visual range dominance, and AGM-158D style cruise missiles for deep strike. But the real advantage is in integration. Weapons, drones, and sensors work like instruments in an orchestra. Visuals: engine spooling, missile bay doors opening, guided missile launch. Range and speed. The F-47 is designed to project power farther than current fighters. A combat radius in excess of 1,000 nautical miles means it can patrol vast theaters, operate from dispersed spaces, and keep the pressure on adversaries without frequent refueling. Speeds exceeding Mach 2 give it the option to rapidly reposition or to contest airspace decisively. Together, these traits ensure the F-47 isn't just a local sentry, it's a regional force multiplier. How does this change warfare? First, it decentralizes lethality while centralizing command. In past eras, kill chains were linear: detect, decide, deliver. Now, the F-47 compresses those links while delivering the delivery nodes across many low-cost platforms. That makes adversarial targeting harder. Destroy the manned jet, the swarm can still operate, coordinated by distributed AI. Knock out a few drones, redundancy keeps the network alive. Second, it raises the bar for air superiority. A peer adversary faces not one superbird, but an adaptive ecosystem that can sense, misdirect, and strike from many vectors. The psychological effect is noteworthy. Uncertainty saps an opponent's will to engage. Visuals: side-by-side scenario, legacy fighter versus F-47 with swarm, outcome diverging over time. Third, it prioritizes information dominance. If you control the narrative of the sky, who sees what, who shoots where, you have strategic leverage. The F-47's fusion and AI give commanders an ability to shape battlespace perceptions, protecting friendly assets while exploiting enemy vulnerabilities. Fourth, it enables distributed operations. Fewer high-cost bases, more dispersed and harder to attack nodes. The F-47's range and support from CCAs mean power projection from unexpected places. Can China's rumored J-36 or other 6th-gen efforts compete? They can try, and we should assume they will. The J-36 likely pursues its own blend of stealth, advanced engines, and networked systems. But competition is not a simple mirror match. Success depends on industrial depth, software ecosystems, secure communications, and doctrine. The F-47's emphasis on AI-driven swarms and sensor fusion is as much about software and concepts of operations as it is about metal and engines. If an adversary builds similar hardware but fails to master the software, secure data links, or operational tactics, parity remains elusive. Conversely, breakthroughs by rivals in AI, electronics, or mass production of CCAs could narrow the gap quickly. There are vulnerabilities too. Heavy reliance on networks creates targets. Cyber attacks, GPS denial, and electronic warfare could disrupt coordination. The design anticipates that. CCAs include autonomy for degraded environments, and the F-47's AI can operate with intermittent links. Yet, no system is invulnerable. Conflict will be a contest of countermeasures: stealth versus detection, swarms versus anti-swarm defenses, AI assistance versus adversary algorithms, video, montage of jamming, spoofing, and autonomous redundancy demonstrations. Finally, the human element endures. The F-47 doesn't remove the pilot, it amplifies responsibility. Decision ethics, trust in AI, and split-second moral choices remain central. The pilot becomes less a lone duelist and more a conductor of complex systems, responsible for calibrating lethal force across a distributed architecture. That's a weighty role, and one that reshapes training, rules of engagement, and command structures. So, where does that leave us? The F-47 NGAD promises to shift air combat from one-on-one duels to orchestrated, networked campaigns, where information and adaptive systems dominate. You'll see dogfights recede and layered AI-assisted operations rise. Expect battlespace maps awash with data, small drones buzzing like swarms of fish, and stealth shapes that only show themselves on the enemy's worst day. For visuals in this video, interlace cinematic F-47 renders with footage of swarming drones, satellite imagery overlays, pilot HUD mockups, and side-by-side scenarios comparing legacy fighters to the F-47 ecosystem. Use dramatic pauses in narration as systems reassign tasks, a missile locks, or a drone sacrifices itself to protect the manned jet. Bottom line, the F-47 is less a plane and more a concept, a high-value node that multiplies force through autonomy, stealth, and information dominance. It raises the technological and doctrinal bar for everyone else. Whether China's J-36 or other 6th-gen designs can match it depends on more than metal. It depends on software, doctrine, and the will to integrate air, space, and cyber into a single fighting organism. Visual, final flyby of the F-47, swarm folding into the sky like a constellation. End with this image, one sleek silhouette connected to many humming satellites and tiny drones, cutting across a map of contested airspace. The future of air combat isn't a single dogfight, it's a symphony, and the F-47 intends to conduct. Fade out.